See it right there?
Oh, yep, sure is. Awesome. Isn't that cool? Yeah, okay, you come. Just
Get the dogs, get a leash.
Hey, Jet.
Hey! Right there!
Come here, Diesel. There's Diesel, man. Here.
Come here, look at it. See it?
Oh my God. Come on, let's go.
Stop, Diesel. Here, Brittany, take Diesel.
Diesel.
We're fine right now. We're fine right now. It's going south. Let's take my truck.
No,
It's faster.
It's easier to get in and out for me.
Actually, it's coming this way.
Yeah?
Hey, let's just go across the street.
Well, let's drive over there.
Cool.
Go to Eddie's? Is there so many people there?
No.
Oh my God, our first tornado.
It's getting smaller though.
Mom, go.
Go.
Okay. Where you want to go?
Let's go right over here to where these guys stand. Park right there.
Go to Tammy's. Here, park here.